I rarely have leftovers 2 days in a row. What I do is I freeze it and come back in a month or two, and I make another recipe with it. About 2 months ago, I made some braised beef short ribs and some mashed potatoes, froze them both, put them in the refrigerator, and let them thaw naturally over 2 or 3 days, not put them in my sink where they're going to be contaminated. So today we're going to make beef pie. And we're going to make sure we remove those beef bones from our beef as we stir it in our pot to kind of warm it up on a very slow simmer. You may have to add a little bit of water or maybe even a little red wine to it to help reconstitute it to get it to the consistency you like. Now for the mashed potatoes, we did add about a quarter cup of some water. Then we're going to add some grated parmesan cheese, some dried chives, and some provolone cheese. We're going to get this all melted together. We're going to serve these individual beef pies in these individual little pie pans. I got this from my local grocery store, which was a little mini peach pie for, single. Or you can use these ceramic ones. I like these because they're much more sturdier and you get a nice more brown on the crust. For ease and convenience, we're going to be making these pre-made pie crust. Any brand will do. We'll place it in the pie pan and just tear off any excess around the edge. And we can use the rest for the second pie. I'm going to poke about 3 or 4 pokes in here with a fork, and we're going to bake this at 350 degrees for about 15 minutes, just to give it a little browning. Now it's important that we brown off this crust first because the ingredients are already hot. We're just going to finish it off in the broiler. So now we got our crust ready. We're going to add our warmed up leftover beef here. And we'll top it with our mashed potatoes with the provolone and parmesan cheese and chives. We're going to brush it with a little scrambled egg on top. And we'll finish with just a little more Parmesan cheese. Not too much. Now we're going to get this under our broiler for about 4 to 5 minutes to make a nice crust. Oh man, would you look at that.